Welcome to Shim Shack on the High Street of Streatham in South London, where you've got the best shrimps and chicken. It's on the menu, whatever you want on the menu. The menu is also available online on their Instagram page. You can look and know what you want. I think they do takeaways as well, or dining in, where we're order our drinks that we get first, but the drinks is alcohol free because they don't have a license, so there's no alcohol in it. And then after our order came in, I ordered the queen prawns with creamy mashed potatoes and chips, and my friend Nettie, she ordered the baby chicken with shrimps as well. Look at me, look how we eating. The food was so delicious, it was so good. My belly, look how I'm getting in. Look at my mouth, so you know it was mouth watering. We had the best experience ever. From going in, it was so amazing.